Okay, so I'm currently here with Andy at Vital EV Solutions. I guess the first thing I'm going to ask you, Andy, is what does Vital EV do?
So, Vital, we specialise in DC charging, or foremostly, but we also get involved with AC charging. We provide a cradle to grave service of providing the charger itself, doing the installation, understanding what the client actually wants, installation, installing the units themselves, and then looking after them right the way through. And wrapped around that is the service and maintenance package, which comes with an SLA offering of 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or next available engineer.
Lovely stuff. So the first thing I do want to ask you is what kind of size of customer do you work with? You don't have to mention any specific
No,
customers,
no, sure.
but obviously, I mean, what's the smallest type of customer you work with, and then what's definitely a larger customer that you work with?
It all depends on what the requirement is. I mean, individual customers that we have clients and do work for come to us and say we want to put one unit in. You know, it might be a small business, it might be a domestic location, but if it's a DC charger that's required, then we can talk to them and we'll put them in. We'll talk to anybody really if they've got money to spend and they need a charger service and they recommend and they understand the level of service agreement that we can provide, then we'll work with them. And that can be an individual charger, but then we've got a project at Landman Way in London for Westminster Council, and we've got I think 40 plus chargers in there. We're actually charging the dust wagons up there, and they're collecting the garbage around Westminster. It comes back to incinerator. They generate electricity,
Which then
then powers the trucks, and they go back out and collect the garbage again. So these are exciting projects. We like getting involved with things like that are innovative and new. So yeah, and from one charger to 47 and above.
Wow. Well, that's excellent. So I guess the final question that everyone's probably going to be asking is, well, okay, I'm a small business customer, or alternatively, I've got a fleet of vehicles that need to be charged up. Where can they find you?
You can find us online at www. You say that these days?
I think so, just about.
vitalev.co.uk. Or you can contact me. You can find me on LinkedIn. I'm Andy Walker, and I'm the business development manager for Vital EV.
Lovely stuff. Well, thank you so much, Andy.
No problem. Thank you very much.